Welcome to Social Media with Lacey J. You're not going to believe it. I can't believe it. It's finally happened. Instagram, in the app, you can now schedule content. Woo! Celebrations all around the world. Social media managers are erupting. It's finally happened. Why has it taken so long for it to happen in the first place? Well, Instagram was originally created as a way to post things instantly. The idea was that the content that was going to be on Instagram is actually a lot more like Be Real is now, where you just instantly post content. You're kind of like slow drip live streaming your life on Instagram. You're sending a gram to someone instantly. Instagram, okay? So technically it went totally against the values of the app of Instagram to schedule content ahead of time. And the development team held on to that value for a long time. Over the past few years, there have been ways to work around this as a marketer to schedule content. We've used third-party apps that maybe they couldn't quite schedule the content, but they could push the content through to you and send you a reminder on your phone that you could then upload the content and publish it manually. Okay, that was one way. Then at some point, the API opened up that you could use a few different scheduling tools to schedule the content ahead of time. After that, Facebook Creator Studio opened up the ability for us to schedule some types of content on Instagram. And then Meta Business Suite came along and we had more ability to schedule Instagram content through Meta Business Suite. Well, finally, the Instagram app has the function to schedule content. Let's talk about how to do it, okay? You are creating a post, you're creating a reel, you upload the content, you get it all edited, you come to the screen where you are putting in your caption, tagging people, etc. Well, at the bottom of that screen, you scroll down and there's a button for advanced settings, okay? You hit advanced settings and at the top of that screen is a prompt that says schedule post or schedule reel. You toggle that on and a calendar pops up for you to select your day and time for publishing. You select your day and time, you go back to the other screen, and now the blue button at the bottom, right, doesn't say publish, it says schedule. You click the scheduled content, and then, scary, where does it exist in the ether? You need to check and make sure that it exists somewhere. Go to your profile, click the 3 lines at the top of your profile. I call them hamburger lines. I don't know what you call them. You hit those lines, you open it up, and now there's a prompt that says scheduled content. You click on that, you can see any content that you have scheduled. Make sure it's scheduled properly. You have it on the right date. It got saved properly. It didn't disappear somewhere, which can happen, okay? You've got your scheduled content there. You've checked it. It's great. You cannot schedule stories in that function. We can only be scheduling posts and reels. You can schedule stories ahead of time in Meta Business Suite. However, it's super clunky. It's missing a ton of functionality. When I tested it recently, it doesn't have the same fonts on when you add text overlay that it does on the Instagram app. So it looked really out of place and wrong when I had text overlay that was done in Meta Business Suite versus the type of text overlay that comes naturally in Instagram stories. So still can't do stories well, but that's fine. Stories are really fulfilling that overall function of more real life in the moment content anyway. So we'll lean into that for stories and really enjoy the fact that we can actually schedule in the app right now. Last note before I close up on this new feature is collaborative posts cannot be scheduled ahead of time. Okay, so as soon as let's say you wanted your reel or your post to be a collaborative post, you create the post, you invite the collaborator, you click your scheduling time. Well, as soon as you go back to the screen after you've selected your scheduling time, boom, your collaborator option is removed and a little dialog box comes up that says some of the settings that you have are not compatible with scheduling. And that way you might have to choose instead to tag the person instead of collaborate with them. But you'd have to do that all over again because the tag and the collaborator is removed. So go back in, tag the person, or if it's important that it's a collaborative post, you're gonna have to do it manually. You can't do it scheduling, okay? Good luck, have fun, celebrate this new feature.